Hello, this is John Kvale, and this is our May Financial Planning and Capital Markets Review. I am super casual, so absolutely no chance of seeing the big picture, but I will keep myself up in the corner. And I also am on a family vacation with extremely weak Wi-Fi, so I will be forced to keep this short. We'll make it good. For those of you that are new, we do this in an audio-video podcast type of format. So if you're driving down the road, please keep your hands on the wheel and be safe. We wish you to do that. I actually have my cell phone giving me some light. I'm in, as I mentioned, a very remote location, and my cell phone's, of course, going to ring. I can feel it on my watch. All right, let's get down to business. Back to basics. Estate planning. I'm really trying, I'm enjoying this. This is one of my New Year's resolutions, is to have a multiple part series that was kind of back to basics. And I had several of you longtime clients hit me and go, okay, John, I've been needing to update my estate plan. And the main thing about the estate plan is it's a lot of fancy terminology. Really, you just need to get started. It's like that homework or studying for that exam. Once you get started, it's very, very easy. And those of you that are in listen-only mode, I'm going to hover over the link to the post, and I actually did an excerpt from the post. But really, I dictated all of my thoughts out while on a long workout, and I thought it came out really, really well. And the way I approached it is not to do the terminology, but to do what the terminology is trying to accomplish. We'll let the attorneys put it into their fancy format. All right, I'm at 1 minute and 36 seconds. I've got to keep on going. Lump sum offer reminder. Ran into this, and these tend to come in waves. Those of you, I've seen all types of lump sum offers. I've seen the most unique is in-force lump sum offers. Seen some really, really fantastic ones, and I've seen some horrible ones. Not for the faint of the heart. You're making a decision that you were told when you took your pension many times that it was never going to be, you could never try, you may never have another option, but those in-force offers I've seen. Bottom line, trust but verify, because these lump sum offers they're always a little bit different, and they can be a little bit gray. I could go down the conspiracy rabbit hole, but I'm not going to do that. So let's keep it on the up and up. All right, now in the capital markets. Early on in the quarter, I wrote a post about be sure and look forward when the Federal Reserve raises rates, interest rates eventually, the prevailing interest rates, which would be the 2-year, the 5-year, the 10-year, and the 30-year, they eventually, what the Federal Reserve is doing to raise rate is slow the economy. We've got an economy that is too hot for their tastes right now. We've seen that on the shrinkflation or inflation, depending on what you're looking at in food. The Federal Reserve raises rates, slows the economy, and that slows interest rates. Interest rates front run the Federal Reserve. So interest rates have gone up in an extremely, extremely fast fashion, and that's put pressure on our safe money. And that's not fun. But the good thing is when rates go up, eventually our safe money begins to earn more in the form of coupons. I wrote a second article later on in the month, and it's showing that, hey, have rates peaked? Maybe. It takes a while, just like going from winter to summer. It doesn't just all of a sudden, boom, come on. Well, unless you live in Texas. Most of the time it doesn't. Okay, I'm at 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Those two posts about interest rates, look forward, not back. And if you're getting a lump sum offer, be sure, run it by us, of course. We have some great analytical software, but be sure to trust and verify. And we hope you're enjoying our Back to Basics series. I'm going to do this as a wrap. Those of you that are in listen-only mode, I'm going back to the top. And I did this quick, and hopefully it won't take me 4 hours to upload all of this information on slow Wi-Fi. We thank you so much. We'll talk to you midsummer, and hope you're having a good start to the summer. Bye-bye.